So really, with a tiny bit of a
Come in.
Yeah. Come in.
Please come in, sit down. It's quiet. Because apparently we've got people waiting. 30 down,
Yes.
30 down.
Right, couple of housekeeping things before we get started and have a nice little loop. We will, once some people come down from upstairs in the bell chamber, which is just through the ceiling there, we will ring some rounds. Call changes? Yeah, rounds. We'll do some rounds so you can hear what the bells sound like. Then we can send, we can send about half of you up to look at the bells. We'll ring one of the bells. And then we can send the other half up, and we'll also have an opportunity to chime one of these bells that are in the down position. Now that I've spoken at the speed of light, is there any questions before we start?
Can I just look up? You see that little hole up there?
Yeah.
It'd be a bit painful to try and get through.
And we're not trying to scare you, but it is just one of the hazards of bell ringing.
And you see bell ringing, it looks easy, it looks simple, but it's not.
Hello.
And it takes a while.
So you're going to stand as close as possible, as far as possible.
Yeah.
That's it, and then just move it a little bit, and then a little bit more. Move it down and let go. You won't do that. That's it, stop that. No, you must put 2 hands on the sally. To do with the timing. Stop there for a bit. Okay. That's got it.
There you go. actually hear myself think and you can hear me. Yeah. Welcome. I'll have to be reasonably swift because a lot of people and they want to let you all have a little go at timing. These two in the corner are what we call down. The other one's up, obviously the opposite. This is the safe position, and then we pull on the ropes to swing it, as you saw with the model downstairs, until the bell is up. This stick is called the stay, rests on the slider, which is the curved piece you see underneath the other bells, and the sole purpose of that is so that we can leave them up and then running up and down the stairs and then actually pull them to make them ring without having to go through all the effort of pulling them up every time. When I flash the light, we'll turn the tenor over. That's the big one in the middle, that's the one that weighs nearly a ton. And then these two in the corner are the ones you'll see people chiming. You'll get to have a go at this as well. And what you'll see them do is they pull enough to make it swing, and then they stop it so the clapper hits the bell. And that is a controlled chime. Right, any back and answer.
How old is this style of bell? What have you experienced?
The oldest tower bell that I've rung was cast in 1530 and hangs in a church in Derbyshire. Every bell in their tower, and they have 12, is bigger than our tenor. And you can walk right round them while they're ringing. The tower is so big, you can walk right next to the bells while they're ringing.
And they're still pulled?
Yes, they're all whirring exactly the same way.
And how do they get them up there?
In that case, a big winch. The same as we've got trapdoor below, trapdoor above, because they used to be bad, and trapdoor. Inside the mouth of each bell you see two shiny bits of metal, well you'll see one because the clapper's resting on the other. That's just the mark where the clapper hits the bell on each side. Thank you very much for coming today. We're really pleased to see so many people come out. And your question yourself, now that I can talk, there's a hole in the floor. Trapdoor.
Do you ever get to see it?